Did you know it takes 12 to 48 hours for food to fully pass through your colon? This hardworking part of your body is essential for overall health. But when your colon slows down, you feel it bloating, constipation, discomfort, and even bigger health issues over time. The good news: you don't need harsh laxatives. Just adding the right fruits to your daily diet can keep things moving naturally. These fruits help you feel lighter, more energetic, and healthier. Some are everyday favorites, while a few might surprise you. Let's count them down. Kiwi. Small but powerful. Kiwi is loaded with soluble fiber and an enzyme called actinidin that speeds up digestion. One kiwi has about 2 grams of fiber, but if you eat it with the skin, you get nearly 50% more. A study in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating 2 kiwis daily improved stool softness and bowel regularity. Wash it well, eat it whole, and enjoy the extra digestive boost. Papaya, known as the tropical digestion helper. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins and ease bloating. With nearly 3 grams of fiber per cup and a high water content, papaya keeps stools soft and easy to pass. A 2012 study showed papaya extract reduced constipation and bloating in just 40 days. Enjoy it fresh with lime or in a smoothie for a refreshing an apple a day truly keeps things moving. Apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in your intestines, helping bulk and soften stool while feeding good gut bacteria. Tip: don't peel them. Most of the fiber lives in the skin. A crisp apple can work just as well as a fiber supplement. Pears. Juicy pears are natural constipation fighters. One medium pear delivers about 6 grams of fiber, plus sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that gently draws water into your intestines. Many people swear by eating a ripe pear first thing in the morning. It works like nature's reset button for your gut. Prunes. A classic remedy, and for good reason. Prunes are rich in fiber and sorbitol, which act as a mild natural laxative. A 2011 study found that prunes were actually more effective than psyllium fiber in relieving constipation. Just 2 to 3 prunes a day can make a big difference. Try pairing them with almonds for extra fiber and healthy fats. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, all delicious and fiber-packed. For example, 1 cup of raspberries has 8 grams of fiber. Their tiny seeds act like a natural scrub brush for your colon, while their antioxidants reduce inflammation in the gut. Oranges. Famous for vitamin C, but also great for digestion. Oranges are rich in pectin and contain a compound called naringenin, which has natural laxative effects. A 2014 study linked citrus fruits with improved bowel function. For maximum benefit, eat the whole fruit, not just the juice. If you're enjoying this list so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural health tips. Grapes. These bite-sized fruits are hydrating, fibrous, and rich in resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant found in grape skins. Studies suggest resveratrol may improve gut barrier function and reduce inflammation in the colon. Snack on fresh grapes, add them to salads, or freeze them for a cool treat that doubles as a digestive aid. Mango. Sweet, juicy, and surprisingly effective for digestion. Mango provides fiber plus natural digestive enzymes like amylase, which break down carbs. In fact, a study found people who ate mango daily had better constipation relief than those taking fiber supplements. That means mango's benefits go beyond fiber. It's the full package of antioxidants, vitamins, and enzymes. Pineapple. Packed with bromelain, a digestive enzyme that breaks down proteins and reduces gut inflammation. Pineapple is also high in water and fiber, which keeps stools soft. Choose fresh over canned. The enzymes are strongest in fresh pineapple, while canned versions often lose their potency. Figs. 3 medium figs give you about 5 grams of fiber. They contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, making stools softer, while adding bulk. A 2011 study showed fig paste improved constipation symptoms. Figs also provide prebiotics, which feed your healthy gut bacteria. Dried figs work too. Just pair with water to help the fiber do its job. Watermelon. Surprise. This summer favorite is over 90% water, with just enough fiber to keep your colon hydrated and moving. Think of it as a natural flush for your digestive system. Whether you slice it, blend it, or eat it chilled, watermelon is a gentle and refreshing way to keep your colon happy. Your colon plays a huge role in your overall health. Adding these 12 fruits to your routine can naturally reduce bloating, ease constipation, and support smoother digestion. The secret is consistency. Enjoy a variety daily for the best results. Which of these fruits do you eat most often? Or is there one you're excited to try after today's video? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could benefit. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.